Here are the price levels to watch for Palantir stock. Hello fellow investors, I've screened Palantir before and I told you this could be a $15 stock given that their margins are at 15 to 25%, like most software companies, with the assumption of 1 EPS. If you guys didn't know, I pay 1 PE for 1% of their margins. And to get a price, you then have to assume an EPS. At the time, I told you at 1 EPS for an unprofitable company, that is expensive. Let alone the rate of share dilution the company is still doing up to date. I screened it at $13.42 4 months ago. Since then, it dropped a whopping 40%. To be fair, I was right about one thing, their margins. The trailing 12 months free cash flow margin right now, this quarter, is 14.91%. This is in line with my assumption of 15%, ergo 15 PE. I personally believe this could go higher, up to 25%, like my previous assumption. But for now, they have to find that revenue growth in order to have clarity of those margins. Believe you me, I buy their moat. I think they're a great company and they're gonna do fantastic, but I didn't want to buy the stock just yet until I get some clarity of their financials. But now, I think I do. Here are the price levels I'm watching for Palantir stock. This range here, $2.52 to $5.69. Now, this isn't just any random numbers, and I'm not predicting it will go down to these prices just to satisfy my process, but if it does, I'm going to capitalize on this. $5.69 here is my allowable PB of 5. You can go back and watch my previous videos all you want, and you'll see that's been my threshold for most stocks. Their equity MRQ, most recent quarter, is 2.349 billion. With the current number of shares of 2.063 billion, this is the equivalent price for that 5 PB, $5.69. To be clear, at $5.69, the stock is still expensive because $2.52 here is my allowable price to free cash flow of 20. With free cash flow trailing 12 months of 260 million, that's 15% margin, you'd be buying the stock above my 20 price of free cash flow threshold. Remember, the markets reject growth multiples right now. Also, you want to be buying this as low as possible. I know this is quite a range, that's why I'd only recommend you trade PLTR for now. Don't own it just yet. This range is only good for this quarter because there could still be share dilution. There could be growth next quarter, their equity could go higher, I don't know. But for now, Palantir should be trading at this range here, based on my process. If you want to DCA PLTR, this range would be ideal. This is not a bearish case for PLTR. This is what their financials are telling us. It's not worth $8 per share. If you want me to screen more of your favorite stocks, just comment the ticker below. See you next video.